Here we presents the top 5 best 3D printers. Starting at number 5, Vinci Jr Pro 3D Printer. The Flashforge Finder is the latest, greatest, smallest in the long line of high-quality 3D printers from Flashforge. It contains most of the great features the other Flashforge models have, just on a smaller scale, which also means it's a more affordable 3D printer than its counterparts. This printer comes equipped with an easy-to-use 3.5-color touchscreen display, a slide-in build plate for easy removal of final products, and multiple connectivity options. You can connect it to your home network and print from anywhere in your home or office. Also, with the Finder, you will get a 5x5, 5x5 build area, and it can reach layer resolutions of 100-500 microns. Unfortunately, this one is limited to PLA-only filament, and it may be tricky to try and upgrade any parts. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, Kolito D Printer. The first printer on our list, the Kolito D Printer, is a great tool for any hobbyist. This printer comes as an unassembled kit, which allows the user to fully understand the ins and outs of a 3D printer as they piece it together. It is one of the lowest priced 3D printers available, but it sure doesn't print like it's the cheapest. Since it is a D printer, you can easily customize and upgrade just about any hardware or software to truly make this printer your own. The 93X7, 93X6, 73 is rather large when it comes to desktop 3D printers, especially at this price point. With its minimalist design, the entire printer will not take up much more desk space than the build area, making it ideal for tight work environments. Don't let the D aspects scare you away. The printer is easy and quick to set up. All you need to do is follow the assembly manual, and in almost no time at all, you will be ready to print. This printer only handles PLA at first, but you can upgrade different parts to use different materials. An out-of-the-box layer resolution of up to 100 microns competes with many of the more expensive 3D printers. Halfway of my listed number 3, Raise3D E2. The Raise3D E2 desktop 3D printer is a beast of a machine, a true professional 3D printer for fraction of the cost compared to other commercial printers costing anywhere from $10K, $100K. Folks who are looking for a multifunctional and a robust desktop 3D printer, the E2 is the right product for you. As they say on the website, their focus is to inspire industry-level change by designing and building 3D printers that extend the limits of what is possible for designers and manufacturers. With Raise3D E2's auto bed leveling technology and a video-assisted offset calibration system, you can go through geometrical alignment easily. The printing will pause when the door is opened or when you run out of filament material. The flexible build plate minimizes the print damage when removing the object after printing has finished. Its intuitive visual interface with print progress and the 7-inch visual touchscreen, as well as the on-screen assistance when printing, help you to set your printing preferences quickly. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2, Formlabs Form 1 Plus. What sets the Formlabs Form 1 Plus apart from most consumer 3D printers is the different technology used to print. While the most common printer type is FDM, short for fused deposition modeling, this machine is based on SLA, which means it doesn't squirt molten plastic in layers when creating a model, but instead, it prints it using resin and lasers. Admittedly, that sounds way cooler, but what does this mean in terms of quality and reliability for an avid 3D printer enthusiast? One advantage that the Form 1 Plus brings to the table is the much higher precision and better accuracy of its SLA technology when compared to the typical thermoplastic extrusion machines in the industry. By laying full layers of resin one layer at a time and cured by UV light, the details of the finished prints will be considerably better, and the objects will turn out smoother than the FDM method of printing. Despite the widespread availability and the increased affordability, FDM still doesn't quite match the professional quality of an SLA machine like the Formlabs Form 1 Plus. This seems enough to convince anyone to switch over from FDM 3D printers to this type, but before you decide to do that, there are some things to consider. Form 1 Plus is a quiet printer thanks to the use of a silent laser instead of the mechanical moving back and forth of the print head and print platform. and experience through its varied options for manipulating your models. And number 1. Flashforge Dreamer 3D Printer. Created by the Chinese manufacturer Flashforge, which has proven themselves to be the leaders when it comes to good value entry-level printers geared towards hobbyists and enthusiasts. Their newest addition in the world of 3D printing is called Dreamer, and featuring a dual extruder and the same affordable price and robust design of their other models, this machine looks very promising. One challenging aspect for some printers can be the use of its software, which is often complicated and requires time-consuming effort until you get the hang of it. The Flashprint, the Dreamer's software, is surprisingly very simple to use. To be able to print something from Thingiverse, for example, you just complete a few easy steps like you load the object, adjust a few settings, and then hit print. Of course, you can also just use the basic default settings, which for simple projects can be more than enough. To better control the printer, there is a 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen display, and for connectivity, you have loads of options like USB South Dakota card and Wi-Fi. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.